Let's take a look at the payroll settings in Xero. First, select the Payroll tab from the Xero dashboard, then choose Payroll Settings. There are 8 tabs that make up payroll settings, and each one plays a key role. So it's important to fill in as much detail as possible under each of these tabs. We'll start with the Organisation tab. The first step to setting up your payroll accounts is to select the bank account from which you'll pay your employees. This step is especially important because after you complete each pay run, a payment file containing these bank account details will be created, which will enable you to pay your employees quickly and easily. Use the drop-down box to select the bank account you'll pay your employees from, or if you haven't set one up yet, you'll be able to set one up directly from this drop-down. Next up is the payroll chart of account codes. If you use the Xero default chart of accounts, Xero will pre-populate this information for you. However, if you use a personalised set of accounts, simply find and select the correct account codes for your business. You can manage these at any time from this payroll settings page. Next, we have a few optional fields. This section isn't required to be filled in before a pay run, but completing it will help with payroll payment files and tracking. Enter a bank reference here so Xero can create a BACS or faster payments file to upload to your online banking account to pay your employees. Enter a scheme cease date to close your payroll scheme and pay employees for the last time. Just be mindful that this cannot be undone, so only fill it in after closing your payroll scheme. Moving on to payroll tracking. Tracking categories can be used to see how different parts of your business are performing without cluttering up your main chart of accounts. Payroll enables you to add tracking categories based on employee groups and timesheets. Employee groups could consist of various departments like sales, marketing, or operations, and timesheet categories could be used for different locations or branches, giving you visibility over specific payroll costs. If no options are showing in the drop-down, check out Xero Central to find out how to add tracking categories to Xero. Lastly is the company logo. This is where you can upload your company's logo for your employee documents. Remember to be mindful of the file size requirements and also see the image recommendations. As always, be sure to click Save if you make any changes.